how to log into Netflix account from your laptop or PC. So this is the easiest and simplest method to log into your Netflix account from your laptop. So let's get started. So on this process, firstly you will have to open any browser on your system. So in my case, I have opened the Chrome browser. So after open any browser on your system, in this search space you will have to type Netflix, and here you will got official website of Netflix, like it will appear with netflix.com. So simply you have to open that Netflix website, and now from here you will have to go with the option sign in. So it will appear on the top right corner of the screen. So simply click on the sign in button, and now from here you will have to sign in with your username and password. So make sure you have entered the correct username and passwords. So from here, after giving the right credential, from here you will be able to sign in with your account. So simply after that, click on sign in button. So in my case, my subscription plan is finished, so I have to renew it. So in your case, it might be running. So this is the easiest and simplest method to log in your Netflix account from your laptop or PC. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please, if any queries are arises, just let me know them in comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.